Manzada como ele disse. টেস্টিং ভেরিফাইড আছে। টেস্টিং ভেরিফাইড আছে।
Values, and we're going to see exactly how they work, as well as decrement. There's the increment and decrement shorthands, and then you can also see there are additional shorthands. This right here would be equivalent to saying I is equal to I plus 3. So this guy right here is just the same as that. This is just a shorthand version of the same thing. You can see right here, if we come in here and add, this is actually a remainder operator. So you can see it goes in there and throws the decimal point in there as well. And you can see right here the way that this is operating with this shorthand notation. See right here we have it a value of 0, and you can see it prints out a value of 0. So you might be saying, what's going on here? Basically what it's doing is it's going and getting the current value of I, putting that inside of there, and then it's performing the addition right here. Then, when that's the same reason why it jumps up to 2, is if whenever you put the plus plus ahead of your variable, like your screen, each one of those individual sources where those are going to be stored, or sometimes we also want to be able to print it out in different ways. So let's say we want to cycle and have access to all of the different arrays. We could also go x plus plus. If you're wondering, you could also go x plus equals to 1, right like that. But just trying to cover everything as I'm going through here as things pop into my head. Okay, so that's going to give us the first part of our array, but we want to get the second part of our array as well. So we're going to go int, say y is equal to 0, and we're going to cycle through this as long as y is less than the multi-array 2. And again, we're going to go get length like this. And in this situation, we're going to put 1 inside of there. Then we're going to decrement the value of y as well. And now we can access everything. So we can go console right line, throw in the first part we're going to put inside of here, or like a for statement inside of there, and we're going to get another value inside of that, and then the final actual value that is stored inside of console right line. Now what we can do is come in here and grab x and y, and then to actually get the value that is stored in our multi-dimensional array, we can go multi-array 2, and then throw in x and y at the same time. And we can save that and execute it, and you're going to see it prints out our multi-dimensional array, which starts off in 0, 0 index, and this is the value, and so forth, and so on. So there is a heck of a lot about arrays. Let's go and take a look at lists. Now, a list is like an array. However, unlike an array, whenever you add new items to a list, the list is going to automatically resize for you. And how we're going to create a list is we're just going to type list, and then the type of data it's going to contain. Create a number list, and then you just go to list, and then the data type that you want again, and then the brackets for the function. Now, to add items to our list, we just type in add, and you can just throw in as many different items as you'd like to, and there you go, and you don't have to worry about the size of your list. Another thing that's kind of neat is it's very easy to add an array to your list, so let's just create an array here, and there it is. Now you can just go num list, and of course the data type has to be the same, so make sure that you do that, and then you're just going to go add range to your list, so let's just create an array here, and there it is. Now you can just go num list, and of course the data type has to be the same, so make sure that you do that, and then you're just going to go add range to your list, so let's just create an array here, and there it is. Now you can just go num list, and of course the data type has to be the same, so make sure that you do that, and then you're just going to go add range to your list, so let's just create an array here, and there it is. Now you can just go num list, and of course the data type has to be the same, so make sure